Hello, I'm Dr. Prasad Putilam. With the last video of research methodology and intellectual property rights, module 5, third part, is another set of syllabus, same syllabus only, but part by part I am covering and making the video class covering the course outcome of understanding the basic principles of design rights. The textbook available is Engineering Research Methodology, Deepankar Dev, which you can download from the internet freely. The PDF is available. Okay, so I am referring that one, the textbook which is mentioned in the syllabus also the same. Okay, now moving to the topic which I am covering in this video, that is excluded subject matter, method or principle of construction, features dictated solely by function, mechanical device, trademark or property mark for artistic work, immoral designs, design contrary to public order. Okay, question is framed: examine and elaborate on the exclusions and limitations in design rights, including the probability of specific subject matters, methods or principles of construction, features dictated solely by function, mechanical devices, the same syllabus, as well as provide examples to illustrate each exclusion. Okay, so syllabus as such I covered to make it proper. Okay, so this is RBT level 3 question. Okay, the answer scheme is mentioned here. Now one by one, the excluded subject matter. Okay, certain subject matters are excluded from design protection, such as discoveries. Means something like discoveries and the scientific theories which are not covered by the design protection. Okay, so these are the excluded. Instead, the design protection is about safeguarding how things look, emphasizing the visual appearance rather than the theory or the abstract or ideas that will not be covered in this particular design rights. Therefore, they are excluded. So this is a continuation of the design rights of previous video. Don't get confused. Please do watch my previous video on part 2 of module 5. The continuation of that. Okay, so I'm taking short videos so that people can test they can watch, otherwise they will feel bored. Okay, so the example for the exclusion, a new scientific formula or a mathematical algorithm, they will not cover under eligible, they are not eligible for design protection. Then the method or principle of construction, design rights they don't extend to the methods or principles of building a product. The focus is on how the product looks and not the specific technique used to make it. Okay, so the principle of construction or the technique which are used will not cover under design protection. So example, if you check specific manufacturing process or the construction method used to create a chair is not protected by design right. Okay, so the method is not protected. If any special design is there in the chair, that can be applied for design protection. Next, features dictated solely by the function. Okay, so if the way the product it looks is mainly about how it works and is necessary for its function, those design aspects might not be protected. Okay, so the functional features usually fall under the patent protection instead of design right. Okay, the functional features cannot be comes under, it will not come under the design. Example, if I take the shape of a wrench which is designed purely for a functional efficiency, the shape is, that is not a design, that is to increase the efficiency. So the shape of the wrench cannot be in that case, because it increases the functional efficiency, means it cannot be it cannot come under design protection, but it can be patented directly. Then mechanical devices, I see. Okay, mechanical devices, the design rights are actually not meant for the for safeguarding the the technical aspects or the mechanical parts of a device. Patents are the appropriate protection for the inner working and the mechanism of mechanical device. So they have to go for the patent, not the design protection. So if you take the example, the intricate internal mechanism of a watch could be covered by the patent protection rather than the design, right? Okay, means if you open the watch, the whole watch, if you open, you can see, you will get confused or things in that. So you cannot say that it is a what a design. It's not a design. Huh? Okay, we may think, oh, properly designed. It's not properly designed. It is a mechanical device actually. Okay, working, giving a function. That cannot be protected under design rights. It can be protected under patents. Again, trademarks, property marks, or artistic work. These are designs which are mainly comprises trademark or property marks or the artistic work. Might not qualify for the design protection as it has got its own intellectual property rights, like trademark. They can directly apply for trademark. Artistic work, they can apply for that. Okay, so example, if I take the logo, or a logo or a artistic illustration used as a primary design element on a product, it may not be suitable for trademark or copyright product. Means it will be more suitable for a trademark or a copyright protection. It comes under a copyright protection or the trademark, the design of a logo. It will not come under the design protection as such. Then next one, immoral designs. Offensive. Okay, so designs which are deemed immoral or offensive or against the public decency, it may not be eligible for design protection, because that you need to uphold the ethical standards. For that reason, it cannot be considered. Example, if you take a design featuring the explicit or offensive content that goes against societal norms must be considered immoral and ineligible for design protection. If somebody designs something which is against the morality of the people living in certain regions where they apply, especially India, we know that so many different cultures are working together. They are here. So if one community makes something, or some people use of some thing which is already we have seen, and some cases are running on that, and so those things they cannot even apply for design as a design. It's not a design only, because it is actually immoral designs, what I wanted to say. Now, design which are contrary to the public order. Whether if a design which is made, if it disrupts the public order, or if it creates some issues in the society, among the society, may not be eligible for protection to prevent the spread, because if you protect it, it's against that public order. So example, if I take a design that includes symbols or imagery promoting hate speech or discrimination may be deemed contrary to public order. So any design which is made, which is connecting or which is giving the meaning of a speech given by some in political, I should not say political is such a good word, a person who is political, such statements which creates issues in the probably create issues in the society, that type of a design cannot be protected. Okay, that's about the third video of module 5. Thank you. Please subscribe and support. This is my YouTube channel name, my intuition 4865. Once again, thank you very much.